Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to fix error code 429. So I know it's very frustrating, so this one basically means you've sent too many requests to Roblox in a short time, kind of like knocking on the door too fast and Roblox is telling you to slow down. So let us begin guys. So the first fix is very simple, just wait a few minutes and try again. So error 429 is often temporary. Roblox sometimes limits requests for a short period to prevent overload. Waiting just 5 to 10 minutes can often clear it. After that guys, you can also restart your device and internet connection. So just close Roblox, reboot your PC or mobile device and restart your Wi-Fi router to refresh the connection. Also, if you're clicking join or refreshing a lot, slow it down. Roblox's servers detect too many rapid actions as suspicious. And after that, also you can try clearing cache and cookies. Just press on Ctrl-Shift-Delete and delete data in here. After that, you can also check the Roblox server status. Just go ahead over to this statusroblox.com and see if this top banner is green or not. If it's green, all good. And that's how you fix this error, guys. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our quick Roblox fixes.